Next job is to make a handle to swing the saw. This one is prototype 1. As you can see, I've got a pin on a spring, the initial locking system, and a corresponding bit of angle iron with a hole in it. It works. It's a little flimsy, a little bit too agricultural. There's a little bit of play in the blade. It does work, but I can do better than that. This one is swing blade handle locking pin mechanism prototype number 2. This is a one-hand operation, whereas the other one was two-handed, and that handle is on an angle there so I don't get my hand pinched. This one's a bit better, I reckon. Get that hand out of there. And attached to the saw I've got some 15mm plate there as the locking anchors, I guess you could call them. At the moment it's connected to the saw through the bolt, through the bearing on the swing plate. That works too, but it's a little bit flimsy. Get that thumb out of the way. Same deal for the vertical cut, 15mm plate welded in place for the locking mechanism. I like the way this mechanism works. It's smooth and positive, easy to operate one-handed. I've decided just to go for the 90-degree swing action rather than the 180 degrees. Joining the handle to the swing blade bracket. It's a little bit rough there, a little bit bodgy, some dodgy looking welds. Pretty strong though. Fabricated a belt guard. Don't want to lose any of my bits in there. And fabricated a guard for the blade when it's in the vertical position. I'm not quite sure what sort of guards I'm going to need for the blade yet, so this will just do for a start. Got a battery fitted up. I didn't really want to put it on the carriage there, a bit too much weight, but I tried a few different spots and I think this is probably the best compromise. It's got nice short leads and it's up all in one area, so that'll do. And going for a trial start here.